EDaily conversation.
Getting ready in the morning.
Today is my first day at a new job.
That sounds exciting and a little scary.
Yes, I feel both excited and nervous.
What time did you wake up today?
I woke up very early this morning.
That is a good start for your day.
I wanted to prepare everything carefully.
What did you do after waking up?
I brushed my teeth and washed my face.
That sounds like a normal routine.
Then I took a shower quickly.
That helps you feel fresh.
I chose my clothes for the first day.
What did you decide to wear?
I wore a clean shirt and black pants.
That sounds professional.
I wanted to look neat and tidy.
That is very important on the first day.
I also checked my bag before leaving.
What did you put in your bag?
I put my phone, wallet, and notebook.
That is everything you need.
I also prepared my documents.
That is very responsible.
I feel ready to go now.
Do you feel nervous?
Yes, I feel a little nervous.
That is normal on the first day.
I will try to do my best today.
I believe you will do great.
Arriving at work.
I have arrived at the office building.
How does the place look?
It looks big and modern.
That sounds nice.
I see many people entering the building.
That means it is a busy place.
I feel a little nervous again.
Try to stay calm.
I will go inside now.
Good luck.
I am at the reception desk now.
What will you say?
I will say that I am a new employee.
That is a good idea.
The receptionist is very friendly.
That will help you feel better.
She asked for my name.
Did you tell her?
Yes, I told her my name.
What did she say?
She gave me a visitor card.
That is helpful.
She showed me where to go.
That is good.
I'm going to the office now.
Take your time.
I see my new workplace.
How do you feel?
I feel excited again.
Meeting new people.
I met my manager this morning.
Was your manager friendly?
Yes, he was very kind.
That is good to hear.
He welcomed me to the company.
That must feel nice.
He introduced me to my team.
How many people are in your team?
There are 5 people in my team.
That is a good number.
Everyone was very friendly.
That will help you feel comfortable.
They smiled and said hello.
Did you introduce yourself?
Yes, I told them my name.
That is good.
I also told them I am new here.
That is helpful.
They said they will help me.
That is very kind.
I feel less nervous now.
That is great.
One of my coworkers showed me around.
That is helpful for your first day.
I saw the meeting room and kitchen.
That is important to know.
I am learning many new things.
That is part of the experience.
Working and learning.
I started my first task today.
Was the task difficult?
It was a little difficult.
Did someone help you?
Yes, my coworker helped me.
That is good.
I listened carefully to instructions.
That is very important.
I tried to follow every step.
Did you understand everything?
Not everything, but I tried.
That is okay.
I asked questions when I was confused.
That is a good habit.
I took notes in my notebook.
That will help you remember.
I worked slowly and carefully.
That is better than rushing.
My coworker checked my work.
What did they say?
They said I did well.
That is great.
I feel more confident now.
That is wonderful.
I'm learning step by step.
That is the best way.
Ending the day.
My first day is almost finished.
How do you feel now?
I feel tired but happy.
That is a good feeling.
I learned many new things today.
That is great.
My coworkers were very kind.
That helps a lot.
I am not as nervous anymore.
That is good progress.
I think I will enjoy this job.
That is wonderful to hear.
I will continue to work hard.
That is a great attitude.
I said goodbye to my team.
That is polite.
They said, see you tomorrow.
That is friendly.
I am going home now.
You did a great job today.
Thank you for your support.
You are welcome.
I will rest and prepare for tomorrow.
That is a good plan.
Today was a good first day.
Yes, it was a great start.